Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put your BMW 5 Series into neutral. Modern BMWs with electronic shifters require a specific sequence, especially for towing or moving the car without the engine running. Understanding this process is essential for proper vehicle handling and preventing potential damage. Let's dive into the steps to safely engage neutral mode. To begin, ensure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Next, press the ignition button to the start position. The engine doesn't need to fully start, but the starter must engage. Now, press and hold the unlock button on the side of your electronic shifter. While holding the unlock button, push the shifter forward one position and hold it there until you hear a distinct gong sound. This indicates the neutral process has begun. After hearing the gong, release the shifter, then immediately press it forward again. Your vehicle's display should now clearly show N for neutral. Be aware that this electronic neutral mode usually remains active for about 10 to 15 minutes. To exit neutral and return to park, simply press the P button located on your shifter. Always ensure the parking brake is engaged when leaving the vehicle. It's important to note that if your BMW has a completely dead battery, the electronic method won't work. In such cases, a manual override procedure is necessary, which typically involves accessing a release mechanism directly on the transmission, often from underneath the car. Always prioritize safety by engaging the parking brake when the vehicle is stationary. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.